What is up, you lovely people out there? So, just wanted to say a quick hi and let you know the plan for today. Today, we are going to a place called Jamgate. It's 57 kilometers from the place where I'm standing right now. Uh, I haven't been there before, so it will be a surprise for me. And yeah, let's just go there and see what we can get. I hope to get some good shots there. So guys, we are finally here after a lot of bumps and a lot of diversions and a lot of asking people how to get there because of many reasons. We are finally here, and believe me, it was worth all that 60-kilometer drive. It was all that pain that we went through to get here, and you will know in a second why. Just look at this place. This place was worth every second of the pain that I went through to get here. Just look at the height. I'm actually pretty scared right now at the place where I'm standing. But just look at this view, man. Just look at this view. That is the actual location where we were heading, the Jam Gate. It's nothing, it's a gate in middle of nowhere. But because it's a very nice view and because it's a very remote place, it has become a tourist spot. I legit don't have any words right now to describe how beautiful this place is. I will try and capture some photos, and as you can possibly tell from the landscape behind me, it's a pretty dope place to fly the drone. So yeah, let's set it up and So I'm done with the shoot here. It's an amazing place, as you can see in my background, and overall also the place is pretty nice. I got some good drone shots. If they are good or not, we'll find it when I edit those photos and the videos. But overall it's a pretty good spot. Whenever you are in Indore, try and visit it. It's 60 kilometers from Indore. It's not that far away, and I'm pretty sure you will love the spot. Those 60 kilometers, that ride would be worth it when you see a view like this. And let me find a spot where I can talk to you guys about something. I just realized I forgot to tell you about the details of this place. So right now we are at around 1,000 meter above sea level, which is pretty scary when I'm standing here. And when I talk to the people, especially the forces and the police force and the army, which is stationed here to protect people from this to falling into this, I got to know a few interesting facts which I would like to share with you guys. One of them is we are 1,000 feet above, 1,000 not meter, 1,000 feet above sea level, which is pretty high. There are many religious places called dargahs and temples. When you go down there, it's a pretty steep way, and it's pretty dangerous to go there alone, so I would avoid going there today. They were saying it's a pretty amazing place to be there, and especially after the monsoon when it's all green, and it's all green, basically green and beautiful. And another thing I got to know is the workers who work here. I don't know if you can see that space there, that's their village from where they walk 15 kilometers daily to reach here. And yeah, these are some facts which I thought I can share with you. And so in the end, again, I would like to say that it's a pretty good spot. You should definitely visit it, but you should always be careful when you are here, because it's a very steep mountain, it's a very steep cliff, and if you fall, let's not even think about that. Just be careful when you be here. Follow all the rules which are stated, which are told to you verbally by the people who are here to protect you. And now let's chat for a bit. This is a nice hut, abandoned hut type structure, which I found on my way back, and I think it's a pretty good place to talk to you guys. So let's set up the camera and talk. Let me just take this out. So the thing which I want to discuss with you guys today is about travel and why it is important in our field. And I say our field because I'm assuming that if you guys are watching these videos, you are into photography or cinematography. Travel is important because it not only helps you explore new places and get those amazing 6 shots for your Instagram feed, which takes your follow count from here to here, but it also helps you improve your skills. The more you travel, the more you shoot, and the more you shoot, the better you get at what you are trying to achieve. I know this because I have missed out on traveling a lot before because of many stupid reasons. Some of the reasons were that I don't have a good gear, which clearly I am shooting right now and I am getting some good photos out of it. The second reason was I don't have anyone to travel. What I would like to say is that don't rely on people to travel with you, and don't just cancel your plans because you don't have anyone to travel with. Obviously, it's a safer option to have someone when you are traveling to places like where we are right now, because it's a little unsafe. But don't let that be an obstacle for you which stops you from traveling and taking some good photos and videos. Another important thing travel does is it makes you familiar with your gear, the gear which you are shooting with. The more you travel, the more you end up shooting, at least in my case, and I hope it's the same case with you guys also. So the more familiar you are with your gear, the more capabilities you know about your gear, it will overall help you improve the quality of the final product which you end up shooting, either videos or photos. And not just for your Instagram feed or for social validation. The better photos you take or the better videos you take, it's a great boost for your own satisfaction and your confidence. At least I get a lot of confidence when I see my own photos, if they are good. If I see my good photos, I get a lot of confidence, and it kind of works as a motivation for me to go out and shoot more. So I guess this is a good place to end the vlog. Sorry for shooting this last bit on my phone because all 3 of my camera batteries died, which is a good thing, which means I shot a lot. You should never fall short of photos or videos when you get home. Stop talking, end the vlog. In the end, I would like to say travel as much as you can. I can say this because I regret not doing it much when I could have. But at the same time, whenever you are traveling, you should ensure your safety. Don't neglect your safety in the urge of getting those good photos and the good videos. So yeah, that would be it for this video. If you like the video, like, share and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next video. Also let me know about your feedback in the comments or on my Instagram. Link is down below. You can follow me if you don't already. And so it's a bye bye from me. Bye.